Hey everyone, today we're diving into the Amazon Basics Tabletop Mount Vanity Round Mirror. If you're in need of a reliable mirror for your grooming, makeup, or skincare routines, this one might just be what you're looking for. Let's break down what makes it stand out. First off, let's talk about the design. This mirror features a sleek and elegant round shape with a gold finish, adding a touch of sophistication to any space, whether it's your bathroom, kitchen, or bedroom. The 360-degree rotating double-sided design offers versatility, allowing you to easily switch between 1x and 5x magnification depending on your needs. Now, onto the construction. The mirror is made of durable iron-coated material, giving it a substantial feel and ensuring long-lasting use. Plus, the non-slip base provides stability, so you can use it with confidence without worrying about it tipping over. One of the highlights of this mirror is the crystal-clear reflection it offers. With a mirror diameter of 6.69 inches, you'll get a clear and detailed view of your face, making it ideal for precise grooming, makeup application, skincare routines, and more. Maintenance is also a breeze with this mirror. Simply clean it with a dry cloth to keep it looking pristine. Just remember not to use solvent-based cleaners to avoid damaging the finish. Overall, the Amazon Basics Tabletop Mount Vanity Round Mirror ticks all the boxes for a reliable and functional grooming accessory. Whether you're getting ready for the day or touching up your look before heading out, this mirror has got you covered. So if you're in the market for a new vanity mirror, definitely consider giving this one a try. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.